Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Event Planner, a channel dedicated to inspiring the party planner in you and those who wish to make it their career. Today I have a video on setting up at venues and kind of doing like venue work. I've been getting a lot of parties at kids venues lately, so I just kind of want to share with you some of the tips, some of the struggles that we went through, and some of the things that I've learned from us doing so many venue events lately. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So number one is just going to be scout the venue beforehand. If you're local, you can stop by, but sometimes the event venue is farther out, so you can also contact the event coordinator. The event coordinator can send you over pictures of past events and of the space empty and set up. I do this often, and this really helps me to figure out like what can be done in the space, the capacity of the space within the time frame. You want to make sure that you get the list of the venue rules and what can and cannot be done. For instance, this party right here, my client had booked a balloon vendor, and she was planning on having them do a balloon garland in the space attached to the wall. But when I talked to the event coordinator, they let us know that you cannot have tape on the walls. So we had to go in and change everything because they had to do all freestanding installations. Number two would be managing your clients' expectations. This is a big one because sometimes clients are not aware of how long it takes you to set things up, of what can be done in a space in the amount of time. They just think like you snap your fingers and everything is there. So really managing your clients' expectations is going to help you in the end. I'm going to pop in here real quick and just remind you guys to make sure you check out Party Biz Academy 101 if you're looking to start your business in the next 30 days. New Year's is just around the corner, and I know some of you guys have had this on your list of goals for quite some time, so now it's just time to jump in and get to it. Just get started. Number three is having a plan in place, especially a design plan if you're going to be decorating or doing balloons or anything of that matter, because when you're running low on time, things just happen. A lot of people I find is like, especially when I'm doing vendor events, is a lot of the event staff, or even if the client shows up early, they want to talk, they want to discuss things with you, and they don't necessarily understand how much like even 15 minutes of stopping to talk within an hour setup puts you behind or keeps you from finishing up last details. Number four would be prep. Anything and everything that you can do ahead of time, do it. Blow up extra balloons, blow up as many balloons as you think you might need, especially if you're doing like balloon garlands and balloon setups, the 5-inchers. Prep all your 5-inchers. Those are the things that take so much time on setup day. Number five is to enlist additional help. So the more hands that you have working on the event in a small amount of time, of course, the better things are going to turn out. The better quality you're going to be able to provide. So in this venue, we were able to enlist a lot of different vendors because the client had a bigger budget. So we were able to get a lot more done in an hour, and the quality, the level of the design, and the level of the work was higher because we had different vendors coming in. If you're trying to do everything by yourself in 1 hour, even just doing like a backdrop setup and balloon garlands in 1 hour is tough if you don't have a lot of people who assist you and stuff. And then if you're trying to set up an entire venue party, like a kid's party or just a small baby shower or something, like if you don't have additional hands on deck, the quality of work is not always going to meet your standards. So those are my 5 tips. I hope you guys learned from some of my mistakes and you guys are able to improve your event setups for the future and just be more aware of where you're able to stumble and struggle so that you can avoid all that, and then you guys can kill it for your clients. If you haven't already, check out Party Biz Academy. It has launched, and if you're looking to start your party biz in under 30 days, this is the course for you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.